Welcome back to the final video in our Deep Work Hack series. In this final video, we will teach you how to set up a system to reinforce your progress of the 4 hacks we showed you in the previous videos. If you missed out the previous Deep Work Hacks, you can check them out here. Let's get started. There are 7 steps in this system, and let's visualize it with an example. Step 1. Define your wildly important goal. Identify the key objective you want to achieve. This should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, your goal is to have a research paper accepted for publication in a reputable journal within 6 months. Step 2. Establish your lead measures. Determine the critical activities that will drive success towards the goal. Lead measures should be predictive and influenceable. For instance, your lead measure 1 is to spend 10 hours each week on deep work related to the research for your paper. Lead measure 2 is to write or revise at least 500 words daily. Step 3. Create a visual scoreboard. Design a simple way to track your lead measures weekly. Make it visible to ensure it cannot be ignored, such as setting up a whiteboard in your office showing the weeks left and a section for each lead measure. For each day, there should be a space to mark your progress in hours and word count. Step 4. Keep a weekly tally. As you progress through the week, mark off time spent on deep work activities. Celebrate important milestones for motivation and calibration of effort versus results. To do this, you could update the scoreboard daily, marking off the hours spent on research and the word count achieved to visually track your progress. Step 5. Implement a cadence of accountability. Schedule regular check-in sessions, even if you are working alone. In those sessions, review your progress, celebrate successes, and plan actions for upcoming challenges. You could do this by reviewing the week's work every Friday. If you haven't hit your marks, note why and how you can adjust for the following week. Step 6. Conduct a weekly review. Look at your scoreboard to understand patterns in your deep work habits. Adjust your schedule for the following week based on your review findings. For example, assess the effectiveness of your deep work sessions. Determine if the time of day, environment, or preparation methods are helping or hindering your progress, and adjust accordingly. Step 7. Commit to continuous improvement. Make necessary adjustments to strategies based on weekly reviews. Aim to continuously deepen your ability to work without distraction. Like after your weekly review, set one specific, actionable goal for improvement in the coming week, such as reading 2 high-quality research articles to enhance the quality of your own writing or eliminating a common distraction that's been identified. With each passing week, you're not just working, you're evolving. Continuous improvement isn't a chore, it's your secret weapon in the quest for deep work domination. So, what's your next wildly important goal? Let us know in the comment, and subscribe for more life-changing videos like this.